Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir, and good morning, my friends. We are from Group 3, and today we are going to discuss about local custom in Sumbawa. Before going to the presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my partner. My name is Aivitri Andini and my partner Daniel Sahureka, Husnul Forlina, Aditya Prasetyo, Dias Makagiansar, Adilah Julia Zuma Izati, and last Andi Aswira Hadi Birata. The first, we will discuss about local language. For the second, about food and drink. For the third, about tourism object. And the last, about cultural festival.
Local language. Sumbawa has a regional language known as Best Sumbawa. Best Sumbawa is used by the native Sumbawa people for communication in their daily life. Example. Number 1. English language. Who are you? Sumbawa language. Apa runganmu? Number 2. English language. Where are you going? Sumbawa language. Ya mekena mo. Number 3. English language. What are you doing? Sumbawa language. Apa buat mo? Number 4. English language. Have you eaten? Sumbawa language. Kamangan kau ke? Number 5. English language. I like you. Sumbawa language. Aku sate kau. Number 6. English language. Yes, no. Sumbawa language. Au, no. Number 7. English language. Are you? Sumbawa language. Aku kau. Number 8. English language. I love you, mom. Sumbawa language. Aku cinta emak. Number 9. English language. You are so beautiful. Sumbawa language. Gara lalu kau. Number 10. English language. Thank you. Sumbawa language. Terima kasih.
Sumbawa. I will explain about Sumbawa food, namely sepat and singeng. Number 1 is sepat. What is sepat? Sepat is the most famous food in Sumbawa. Sepat is grilled fish and served with a sauce made from several ingredients such as roasted purple eggplant, basil, salt, and other, and eaten with plain rice, tomato sauce, and cucumber slices. The food is served with gravy mixed with grilled fish and vegetables like eggplant, long beans, etc. In tasty of sepat, it tasty of sepat, it fresh, tasty, delicious, and little sauce. And then benefit of sepat. Benefit of sepat contain protein and vitamin that are sourced from the fish and vegetable. Has benefit to insurance, endurance, in stress, sport, health, etc. Serve and Thanksgiving event, breaking the fast together and big family event. Price in sepat. Price range in 10,000 and 15,000 in rupiah. Ingredient of sepat: 300 gram fresh fish of any kind, bitter using sea fish, 1 pepper eggplant, 5 pieces of cayenne pepper, 1 tomato, 2 grains of candle nut, 3 cloves, red onions, basil leaves, salt or taste, water to taste, flavoring to taste, and tamarind to taste. How to make sepat? Number 1. Count the fish with lime juice and salt evenly. Let stand for a while until abstain 10 minutes. Number 2. Grill the fish over the coals until cooked. Number 3. Grill eggplant over coals until cooked. Peel the skin, take the milk. And number 4. Mix evenly the grilled eggplant, rucola leaves, star fruit, and ground spices. Number 5. Pour hot water and salt still well. And last, number 6. Mix fish, meat, and eggplant, serve warm. Okay, next, number 2 in Sumbawa food. This is singang. What is singang? Singang is a traditional food in Sumbawa, made from fresh fish which are usually used as a side dish and has a yellow sauce with a fresh and slightly sour taste, but very delicious. Singang is a typical Sumbawa food made from fresh fish with a mixture of cayenne pepper and basil leaf, which make the appearance of the singang attractive. And then meaning of singang. This meaning of food is togetherness, kindship, and harmony. And benefit of singang has properties and benefit as a source of protein, vitamin D, and good for gene development. Serve on Thanksgiving event, bringing the fast together and big family event. And then price in singang. Price range start from 5-10,000 and 25,000 in rupiah. Ingredient of singang: fish, salt, water, sugar, red onion, tamarind, basil leaf, turmeric, candlenut, flavoring to taste, and cayenne pepper and large chilies. How to make an singang? Number 1. First peel the red onion, then salt until fragrant. Pure turmeric, hazelnut, small or large red chilies, salt until fragrant. And then enter tamarind water. And then enter enough plain water. And after boiling, and the fish, green chilies, and basil leaf. And let the wait until the fish look cooked and then leave it.
Drink susu kuda liar. Wild horse milk is native horse milk from Sumbawa. Freshly expressed milk has a slightly sweet, warm, non-sweet, and unequivocal taste. Milk directly from wild horse milk. Many properties and nutritional content for the health of the body. The benefit of wild horse milk include it can cure cancer, kidneys, like AIDS. Price rank 100,000 and 302,000. Next, how to processing. Milk a wild horse 6-7 times a day. Then the milk is stirred for 2 days and the milk will express a natural fermentation process. The tasty fall of milk will turn a little sort like yogurt. After that, horse milk can be packed in bottle, can be stored in the refrigerator. Next, ai aning. Ai aning is the original honey from Sumbawa, taken directly by the community for the natural forest in Sumbawa district. Has a very sweet and delicious tasty. Has many properties and benefit for treating heart disease, high blood pressure, all cares at home. Ads. Sumbawa original honey is easily used as souvenir for people visiting Sumbawa. Price rank 100 to and 300,000. Next, how to processing. Pick up honey directly from the freeze and the king, taking it to place honey processing. Honey is selected, the squeezed by hand. After squeezing, the honey directly filtered and put into a bottle with hot and mixture. Next.
Okay, next, Tourism objects. One of the tourism objects in Sumbawa is Labangka Beach, located in the village of Labangka 3, Labangka Subdistrict, Sumbawa Regency. The distance of Labangka Beach from the center of Sumbawa city is 74 kilometers and takes about 2 hours. Labangka Beach has a very beautiful view and also many activities that we can do, such as swimming, buy the fish directly from fishermen, then burn and eat in the beach, fishing in the beach, and others. This beach is a fairly new beach and there are still few tourists who come, most of which visit the beach are local residents. Labangka Beach is a unique beach because there are blazed rocks on the beach that remind tourists of Tanah Lot in Bali. Labangka Beach has a very white sand. This beach facility is incomplete. There are only small stalls, small bedroom, and parking lots. But this beach is very access and no entrance ticket.
Namely Matajitu Waterfall. Matajitu Waterfall is a very famous waterfall located in Moyo Island 21 km away from Sumbawa city. Matajitu Waterfall offers beautiful view and very fresh air with lots of green trees, cool water with dark green and light blue adds to the beauty of this waterfall. Before heading to the location, we have to get on a boat at a price tag 50,000 up to 70,000 rupiah one person. Activities that we can do are swimming, jumping from cliffs into the water, etc. There are no complete facilities at the Matajitu waterfall because this place is a natural tourist spot that is still very natural. Next, thank you everyone.
One of the festival in Sumbawa is Moyo Festival. Moyo Festival, it is one of the most famous festival in Sumbawa and the event is very big and cheerful. The Moyo Festival is an event that is held once a year in September and October. Event can last several days. This festival is held on Moyo Island and Sumbawa Besar City. The uniqueness of the cultural festival, namely this festival displays all the original tradition of each region in the Sumbawa district. Various carnivals, cultural parades using traditional Sumbawa clothes, cultural performance, the Sumbawa UMKM Expo exhibition, Moyo Island Natural Exploration, Jalan Utama, Hempang Cultural Performance, and Barapan Kebo. It will be displayed in the festival which is held once a year. This festival, which is held once a year, exhibits products from the indigenous people of Sumbawa through the UMKM exhibition. At this festival there is also theater performance that display the rich variety of native Sumbawa folk tales which are rich in history. The existence of this festival is intended to improve the tourism sector and the creative economy as well as to raise the values and tradition of art to culture in Sumbawa Regency. More than that, the festival is also held to revive art and culture in Sumbawa Regency. Beli daru sepat sia paman.
Demi Duan,
Aru setekal ki ruku sia kapida paman.
sakal 2000 aru keruku done. Demi demete.
Aru ki ruku sama 2000, terong para 5000 ki monte 3000 na paman.
Aina ya nyepat tanpa duan balong.
Iya sia.
Awe. Jangan no sekalian ke.
Pidamo sia beang kaji lamin ketamak ta paman.
Ete muka 45.000 sekilo.
Nuroat 25 sekilo ki paman.
Aina nuroa dua nih. Nondar balik modal tuh. Mahal ku iti pangana. Ku beang muka 40 sekilo ya.
Iya baka jete mau sekilo ketamak sia.
Awa ya mo. Jadi 50 deh tae.
Tabe ta uang paman.
Kasih dua nih. No si Mikong ampo ke. Kurang nyaman lah mintu kakan sepat nonda Mikong. Awa bayamo. Hati-hati dua nih.
That's all from group 3. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.